My name is Clint Knox. I'm the founder and CEO of Brainits, and I'm going to be taking you through this course on Brainits Level 1 certification, combining student accountability with blended learning. So you have just clicked on the online course introduction and you've been taken to here and clicked on this little video. Now this looks a little different than that because that was just a placeholder at the time. But I'm going to walk you through exactly what you're going to need to do for this course to complete everything to do it in the 4-week course that we have. So let's go ahead and just kind of jump right in. One of the first things that you see when you come to the class is that you're going to be taken to this main page, and you're welcome to kind of go through all these things on the left. They're not all that particularly important. Really, all you need to do is you're going to be completing each one of these tasks, and they're little links right here as you go through, and in the boxes on the right, as you complete them, you'll see little check marks. As you go through the course and scroll all the way down, you're going to see more check marks and more boxes and different assignments at different weeks. As long as you've gone step by step and seen all those check marks checked, you'll know you've completed everything on the course. And there's, like I said, different things here that you can utilize, but feel free to check that out. That's not necessarily that important. Again, it's each week you're going to see different assignments, and you'll just kind of go through and click on them as you go. So there's, I'm going to back up here. I'm going to take you through the first one here. This is the instruction, or the introductions one. So the syllabus and step-by-step, that's pretty self-explanatory. A little Word document will pop up. But one of the first assignments is an introduction. You're going to need to introduce yourself. So when you click on that, you'll get to this page here. And this is simply where you're going to introduce yourself, and there's the instructions are all here, and when it's doing all that. Just click there to start a topic, and when you do that, when you do that, you'll be taken to a page where it says to type in your information, and then you hit submit. If you want to reply to somebody else's post, you just open up their post by clicking on the post, and then there'll be an opportunity to reply there. It's a pretty simple, straightforward assignment, and anytime that you see an assignment with a link like that, that's how it works. Next, I'm going to show you your journal entry. Your journal entry here is actually the first one's actually based upon a number of videos. When you click that, you're going to be taken to the next page, which shows you the assignment, whatever videos or things that you need to read. From here, actually on this page particularly, you need to actually scroll down to the bottom. When you do that, that's where you're going to see some of the questions here. And one thing to note on this class is anytime it says note, please do read those things very carefully. Those are things that have tripped up students in the past, and I've really tried to make a point to make sure that we explain any areas that have seemed confusing to students in the past, and that'll actually save you time by reading that. So when you're ready to answer your questions, because you've watched the videos or read whatever you were supposed to read up there, just start add submission. When you hit add submission, it's a little weird. It takes you back up to the top of the page, and you're like, what just happened? Scroll down to the bottom of the page, and there you'll see where you can add your submission. So you're going to either type in your text or put up a link or whatever it is that the assignment that you've been asked to do, and then you hit save changes, and your assignment is saved. So it's pretty straightforward. A couple things, when you log out and you need to log back in, you'll notice the URL is right up here. You need to go to that URL, just brainits.moodle.school. And then you'll be taken to the login page, and you can log in. If you've forgotten your username or whatever, you can click on that. And so that's most of everything that you're going to need to do. One last thing that I do want to mention though is registering for Adams State University credit. Adams State is a great university here in Colorado, and it's in beautiful town of Alamosa if you ever get out there. But click on register for graduate credit if you are interested in getting graduate credit for the course. When you click on that, you'll be taken to a page that looks just like this. Whenever it comes up on my computer, it's smaller, so I gotta open it up. But this is the Adams State University credit, and you just kind of fill out the information there. When you get about halfway down, you'll notice there's all the different classes that ASU puts out. Easiest way to find the one, because you're going to click on ours, Brainitz one, is just type in Brainitz in the search bar, brain like your brain, and then ITZ, Brainitz. Hit search, and when you do that, you'll see our class on blended learning pop up, and just you click that button so that way the registration form knows that you're looking for that class. And then at the bottom, that's when you hit the credit card, and it is $55 for Adams State. That's what they charge to get registered, and then the class fee, which you've already paid, is $50. But if you ever have any questions, feel free to email me or call me. My name again is Clint Knox. My email is clint@brainitz.com, or you can call me at 719-470-2024. Thank you so much. Enjoy the class.